This is going to be a video tutorial on how to take screenshots in Mozilla Firefox. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Mozilla Firefox web browser opened up now. To take screenshots in Firefox, it's very easy to do. All you got to do is go to an empty area on the web page that you're trying to take a screenshot of. Go to an empty area, right-click, go down to where it says Take Screenshot. You want to click on Take Screenshot. Now in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a little dialog box up here. It says Save Full Page or Save Visible. Save Visible would be just the visible part that you see of the web page. If the web page is kind of like a long web page, you might want to go to Save Full Page. Or say that I wanted to take a screenshot of just this Google area here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag across, and I can select that area right there. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. Now another little dialog box is opened up. I can cancel this out by clicking on the X. I could copy this to my clipboard, or I could download it. I'm going to click on Download. And then you just choose your destination. I'm going to click on Save. That is how to take screenshots in Mozilla Firefox. Thanks for watching.